So today I'm gonna replace the power cord of my Mazzer Mini-e grinder. The current power cord is in pretty bad shape. The same is also on this end. So I thought I'll change it, and as I didn't see any videos on YouTube, I decided I'd document my actions here for somebody else's benefit. So actually I have the replacement cable here, power cord. It's just a power cord for the monitor, which I just cut off, and then I'm gonna use that one. This one has ground and the two sockets, so it needs to be grounded. That's essential. And also, before starting, I'm no electrician by profession, and I'm not sure if this is allowed to do on your part of the world. Do note that working with electricity, it's dangerous, and yeah, you can get killed, so be careful. So starting here, I've covered all these places because I didn't feel like cleaning up that well, so not much of the ground coffee remains will come out, hopefully. Starting the task. Getting off these screws first. That's a regular Phillips screwdriver or screw. Now, I see that this one is still connected to the base of the grinder. Not sure if this one is, but this definitely is, and that's a nasty one. It's a quite special tip. It's the one with it's kind of like Torx, but it has a hole in it, so not sure if you have it, but I was happy that I actually could find one. Alright, now you can see the whole thing is loose. Let's see what's in here. Alright, lots of wiring. And this one is the power cord. So, coming here and here. For the two left ones, and then the earth. Alright, so the earth goes here. It's kind of bad thing I don't have a similar connector at my disposal, but I guess I'll do something suitable. Right, so opening the power cords, yeah, Phillips. Alright, here we go. And there. How do I open that one? Yeah. needs to be open totally. Just gonna put it there for the time being. Okay, and this one is kind of neutralizing the tension. So pulling it off, and this will give me the idea of how much I need to take off the cord. So this will be like 10 centimeters for the grounding and a couple of centimeters for the remaining. So let's say something like here. $2. Be careful not to cut too deep. Oh, I did. Well, let's give it another try. 10 centimeters. Of course, one can always split the cable while doing so. Well, not go too deep. As I said, I don't do this for a living, so alright, now I got it. So again, a comparison. So the power cords, well, doesn't matter if I leave some extra there. I'll cut it from here. And then I need just a little bit of the exposed wires. My wire cutter. The second one. Okay, and also for the grounding. Get some extra for that one. Alright, so here I have the exposed wires. Now, well, it should have been maybe easier to put the power cord in there first and then afterwards cut the wires, but well, I did it this way. Alrighty, now let's get the power cords in there. Start with this one. sure they're tight. This one wasn't, so it came off. I'll give it a try. Okay, now it's properly. Then we have the grounding. Let's do like this. So we'll open this a little bit. Tie a nice glue around the whole thing. Not sure if you can see anything, but definitely it will be in contact with the whole thing, and hopefully also very tight. This is actually the most important thing there. This prevents you getting electrocuted should there be any kind of electrical leak to the core of the equipment. So this will take direct the voltage to the ground and not to you. Alright, so this feels like a proper distance to the cord. It's not tight, you can reopen the stuff. So I'm just gonna put it there, tighten it up. Alright. Yeah, it's tight. And now let's put this baby back and close it up. So just setting up the wires. They don't get stuck in between. There we go. Go inside. Oh, there's something in between. Let's see. Alright, now we are in a proper position. Let's put the screws back on their places again. I'm not a fan of overly tightening, so I use Mazzer power tool to tighten it up. Okay, so there we have it. Then there are additional items to do to make sure the thing is safe, at least in theory. So I have here my multimeter measuring resistance. So this is when there's no resistance. We take this, not that cord, we take this new cord. And we take the ground from the socket here, and we touch the thing here. Okay, so the grounding works. So this means that you're pretty safe. Now also can test that one of these socket heads that will contain the voltage shouldn't be available here. Nope. Nope. And the second one. Alright, so I think we are safe. Last but not least is to test this one, but I'll cut it off. So hopefully you find this useful, and any comments, feel free to add below. Thanks for your time.